Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar. My name is Alex. I'm here as almost every week. I think I've done every week for the last few weeks. So if this is not your first webinar with us, you must know my voice by now, hopefully. This week I'm gonna present the Retrace strategy webinar. I will be alone. Some of you may have seen yesterday that Dean has gone on holiday. Lucky him. So, I will be alone. I hope that you still enjoy it when I'm the only one doing the webinar. I hope so, at least. But yeah, it's not really a problem. I will teach you the strategy myself. It's not a problem. Usually when I'm alone, I like to enable the Q&A pretty early on so that you can ask questions anytime you want. As usual, if you have questions, don't be afraid to ask them right away, and I will address them if they are addressable with a few quick answer. If not, I will keep them for the end of the webinar. And yeah, towards the end, I will take a little bit of time to answer all your questions. So if you have anything to ask, just type it in, and I'll address them definitely. As I can see, we are a full house tonight, so that's pretty good. I'm happy for that. Seems like we have a few Retrace strategy lovers around, so that's good. I do like the strategy quite a lot. It's a very tricky strategy, and I think that most beginner traders don't really realize how tricky it is. For many reasons, which I will address in a bit. As you can see on your screen, this is the layout for the webinar. So I will do a quick introduction, then I will talk about the Retrace strategy and why it works, and then we'll talk about the indicators that we use. After that, we will go over very quickly over the rules of the strategy. So entry rules, stop loss rules, and trade management rules. This is pretty basic stuff. Usually the rules of the strategy, we don't really go over it too much because most people already know the strategy. So usually you should have seen the videos and everything. If not, that's all right. We'll go over them right now. And then after that, we'll go for a little bit of advanced stuff, which is probably what you're really looking forward to towards the end. So we'll see setup selection, advanced tips, and life outside of the indicators. So that's life outside of the indicators will be probably the most interesting part of this strategy for now, of this webinar. Sorry. So a quick introduction. My name is Alex. I work for I work for My Trading Hub. I'm a trader first, and I'm a mentor second on the mytradinghub.com, which is as most of you know. I think most of you come from that website. So we teach Forex for free. I'm a mentor who teaches Forex for free. So I'm around in the forums, and I make articles, and we make videos and strategies for you all, and you get to come around and just learn with us for free. So that's pretty cool. So this is what we do. These webinars usually last an hour and a half, between an hour and an hour and a half, depending on how many questions we have and how much I ramble on. So we'll see. So by 7:30 we should be done. If you have anything to attend to after that. Okay, so this is the introduction. We're going to go over a little bit of the Retrace strategy overview, so why it works and the indicators that we use. If it isn't your first time as an attendee here, you should know by now that we like to use this cool tool. Yay! It's Paint. We love to use Paint. I don't quite know why. I guess it got into us at the beginning of when we started teaching people, and actually it's quite a good tool for showing kind of the theory behind markets and the theory behind candles and stuff. It's better than looking for setups for hours in the charts. So where should I start? So the retrace strategy, as we'll see, works on the retracements in the market. So let's talk about what retracement is, I guess. First of all, the market moves up and down in the charts. So when you look at a chart, you will always see the market go like this, something like this. Obviously, this is a line chart. I'm not going to draw 1,000 candles just to make you understand better. This is pretty understandable. This is how the market would move. Okay, so the market doesn't go like this from point A to point B. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So what we do with this strategy is we take advantage of. I'm going to take a cool blue square. This strategy takes advantage of these little. Oh, this is ugly. These little things, which we call retracements. So a retracement is basically the market going up. I'm going to make a new one. The market going up in such a similar fashion like this. I hope that you can see this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger just to be sure. So market goes up, then it goes down a bit, then it goes back up, then it goes down a bit, then it goes back up. So this is the typical way a market, an uptrend would move, right? So as you all know right now, by now you should know this. You should know that the market moves up and down, up and down. Even if the market moves up, it will always move up and down, up and down, up and down, okay? So what we do with the retrace strategy is we take advantage of these little areas. These are what we call retracements. So it's when the market starts to slow down, people get a little bit scared usually. Usually we will have, for instance, in an uptrend, we will have a big rally, a lot of people buying, 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 and then all of a sudden a lot of people figure out that, oh, well, I'm quite in a bit of profit right now. I should maybe close a little bit of my position. I'm scared that the market will turn around. And so they sell. And the market really slows down, and it goes down a bit. It slows down, and then another big trader comes in, or a lot of people put their money in, or us, with the retrace strategy, we put our money in, like we will see in a bit, and the market goes back up. And then people get scared again. Oh my God, I might lose money. I'd rather close my trade now. And so the market goes down again. It slows down, and it goes down. And then boom, it starts again. So this is how the strategy works. We will see with candles and stuff afterwards. So why it works? Well, it works because we take advantage, first of all, of the trend. So if we will always evaluate the trend. So here now you can see clearly that the trend is going up. Okay, because definitely from this point here,